Hey guys, so I'm gonna have us do bridges on the mat using the band. So it's up to you what band do you want to use. You could do a light resistance. Everything we're doing you can also do without the band. I'm using a pretty heavy band, so it's up to you. All right, so when you're ready, you're gonna put the band over the knees, and then we're gonna come to laying down on the mat. All right. So arms are at the side. You want to use the abs, you want to use the glutes. We're going to inhale and then exhale. Roll up to the bridge, open the band, close the band, roll down. Inhale, exhale, rolling up, open for 1, 2, rolling down. We're going to go up to 8. Inhale, exhale, roll up, open for 3, 2, 1, rolling down. Inhale, exhale, roll up, open, 4, 3, 2, 1, rolling down. Next one, 5, inhale, exhale, roll up, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, rolling down. Next one, 6, inhale, exhale, roll up, open, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, roll down. Next one, 7, inhale, exhale, roll up, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, rolling down. Last one, 8, inhale, exhale, roll up, open, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna stay up, pulse up and down. Every time you pulse up, squeeze the glutes. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, rolling down. Okay, awesome. Now let's go into one-legged bridges with the band. So make sure the glutes are engaged, make sure you're using the abs. Inhale, exhale, roll up to the bridge. We're gonna lift one leg up, you're gonna flex the foot, pulse up and down, squeeze the glutes. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. You're gonna point the toes, stay up, open, coming in. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. We're gonna keep the leg up, we're gonna lower it and lifting, pointing, flexing. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, foot down, rolling down. Now we're gonna do the other side. Inhale, exhale, rolling up, lift the opposite leg up, flex the foot, pulse up and down, use the glutes. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, stay up, point the toe, kick out to the side, coming in. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Good, now we're going down and up with the straight leg, pointing and flexing. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, foot down, rolling down. Okay, let's take the band off and then let's just go into a stretch for that. Let's do the figure 4 stretch, ankle over knee, pull the thigh towards you, stretching, breathing. On the same side, you could cross the knee over the knee and pull the shins towards you. And then we're gonna switch, opposite ankle over knee, pull the thigh, breathe. And then crossing and pulling. Awesome. Until next time.